Student, now I explain the RC lead compensating network. Aim: to design a passive RC lead compensating network for the given specifications via the maximum phase lead and the frequency at which it occurs and to obtain its frequency response. Second one, to determine experimentally the transfer function of the lead compensating network. Then apparatus required. Resistors 2 numbers, capacitor 1 number, signal generator 1 number, CRO 1 number, probes 3 numbers, connecting wires as required. Then theory of the lead network. If a sinusoidal input is applied to the input of the network and the steady state output has a phase lead, then the network is called the lead compensator or lead network. Lead compensator has a 0 at S equal to 1 by T and a pole at S equal to 1 divided by alpha T with 0 closer to the origin than pole. This compensator speeds up the transient response and increases the margin of the stability of the system. It also helps to increase the system error constant through to a limited extent. These compensators are used when fast dynamic response is required. Then circuit diagram. See the circuit diagram. Resistance, that is R1 and C, both are connected in parallel, and then R2 is connected in series with R1. The input is given to the circuit through signal generator. The output is seen by using CRO. This is the RC lead compensating network. Then derivation of transfer function. First write the above circuit, means RC lead network in Laplace transform only, that is Vi of S, that is the input voltage after taking Laplace transform equal to Z1 plus Z2 multiplied by I of S, where I of S is the current in the circuit. Z1 is the R1 parallel with capacitor C and Z2 equal to R2. Output voltage V0 after taking Laplace transform, V0 of S equal to Z2 asterisk I of S. V0 of S divided by V of S is equal to Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2. After simplification, the transfer function that is equal to S1 plus 1 by T divided by S1 plus 1 divided by alpha T only. So, the pole is S plus, that means there is a 1 by T and all, divided by S plus 1 by alpha T is the 0 only. Where alpha equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 and T is equal to R1C. This is the derivation of transfer function. After that, design calculation. First you can specification for the design, that is maximum flux pi m, that is we have to choose, and then at maximum frequency Fm. First we have to choose pi m and Fm, then we can design the resistors R1, R2 and then capacitor C alpha omega m T. First sin pi m, the formula 1 minus alpha divided by 1 plus alpha, alpha less than 1. By using this formula we have to calculate the sin pi m. From this range we have to calculate the pi m. Then alpha equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 only. So the omega m equal to 1 divided by T into root alpha only, where T is equal to R1 into C only. By using this equations we have to design the resistor values and the capacitor values. Then procedure. First derive the transfer function for the RC lead network given above only, and then for the given specification for the given maximum flux pi m at a given maximum frequency Fm, calculation of R1, R2 and capacitor C are done. Connections are made as per the RC lead circuit diagram by the selecting the values found in the above step only. First switch on the main supply and apply the sinusoidal wave by selecting suitable amplitude using signal generator. Then the frequency of the signal is varied in steps, and each steps note down the corresponding magnitude of the output voltage V0 and phase angle pi using CRO. So draw the frequency response plot and hence find the transfer function and compare it with the design only. So the frequency, first you draw the graph frequency versus phase angle pi, then you can draw the frequency versus gain in decibel. So this is the video link of the demo of the RC lead compensating network. You have to touch this one and all. So the link will open, then you can see the video how to conduct the experiment. Dual mode input dual, that's why this is the input waveform. So here under 10 is there, this is 2 into 5 volt, those are therefore 10 volt. The input voltage of the sine generator is set to 10 voltage peak. Input frequency is varied in step by step, that is here frequency now. So this is the demo of, that means conduction of lead network only. Then tabular column, I take the input voltage 3 volt, whatever voltage you have to set by using signal generator. I set one sample reading 3 volt. For 3 volt until I have to take the tabular column frequency. From the signal generator you have to note down the frequency, and then output voltage which is measured by using CRO, and then corresponding phase angle also you have to note down, and then the gain is calculated by using the formula 20 log output voltage divided by input voltage. The unit is decibel. So you have to calculate it and then tabulate it, and then you can draw the graph. This is the Liage's figure. In this figure, after getting input and output signal in the CRO, you can press the XY plot and then automatically vary. That means you have to vary the frequency. Automatically we have to get this Liage's figure only. So after getting input and output waveforms, you can press the SY plot in the CRO. Then you can vary the frequency. Then you can get this Liage's figure as it is in the figure only. Then this is the model graph. This is the RC lead compensating network characteristics curve. So that is the frequency versus gain curve is the top one. The below that one frequency versus phase angle pi only. So the T, omega, M, alpha, everything by using the formula you have to calculate it. This is the model graph. So based on the reading, this is the actual graph. This graph is similar to, that means model graph only. Then the result is the passive AC lead compensating network is designed for the given specification and its frequency response and transfer functions are obtained. Then Viva questions, few Viva questions only I put in this slide. So what is the need for compensation? What is mean by compensation? And then what is the lead compensation? And then what is lead compensation network?